Alrighty, Loren, here's your 347. Small block 4, get subscription. This combination got a set of our As Cast heads, Holley manifold, fuel management, Holley Terminator X, custom grind hydraulic roller. We've got the Aviaid period correct oil pan. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,500, 392 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 415, peak horsepower 444, rated 440, so everything's good. We'll pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things. See if your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. In the crate will be this engine spec sheet. Highly recommend reading that. Have a great day.